Are you ever too young to start anti-aging treatments? Obviously, if you have severe acne or you're under the care of a dermatologist, complete those treatments first. But if you realize that we lose 1% of collagen each year starting at the age of 18, the idea is it's not a bad idea to keep up with it. I would say it's not unreasonable to start in your 20s because you really want to preserve the elements of youthful skin. What is the correct way to layer skincare products? You know, this is one of the most common questions asked. The short answer is it probably doesn't matter, but usually it makes sense if you have a thinner serum, drops, oils, things like that tend to go onto the skin first, allow the skin to absorb these materials, and then you layer over the top with thicker ingredients such as creams. From lighter to heavier is generally the easiest trend to remember. If sunscreen is in serum form, can it be used before moisturizer? Usually sunscreen is something that's used to seal in the rest of the regimen of the skincare. Is it wrong to use it first? No, you have to understand that it's not necessarily locking out your activated ingredients from some of the other products. And so whichever you feel more comfortable, you can apply. But usually sunscreen is done at the end of the regimen. Does toner dry out your skin? Depends what the toner is made of. I mean, definitely things like witch hazel and other ingredients that are drying agents to begin with. That's what a toner is used for. It's tried to remove oil from the skin. You have to remember, the more natural oils you strip from the skin, the more oil the body wants to produce. So you have to keep these things in mind. Toners are not something that you should use every single morning, but you can use them 2 times a week. Can you use a moisturizer on top of the activated retinol night treatment? You know, this is a great question. The idea is, retinol can be drying to the skin, and this is why I recommend using a moisturizer afterwards. And the question really is, if you use multiple products at once, is one going to block the absorption of the rest? And that is a common myth. So the idea is, to make it easy, I think you could potentially mix some of the ingredients together, put them on the skin, you'll still have some of the effects. The idea is getting into a regimen that works for you so you continue that regimen on a daily basis.